Welcome to our comprehensive guide on essential woodworking joints. In this video, we will explore different types of woodworking joints and their uses. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, understanding these joints is essential for creating structurally sound and visually appealing woodwork projects. The first joint we'll cover is the butt joint. It is the simplest and most basic joint used in woodworking. It involves joining two pieces of wood by butting them together at their ends. Although it is a simple joint, there are several variations and techniques to ensure a strong and secure connection. Next, we have the miter joint. It is commonly used for creating clean and seamless corners in woodworking projects. This joint involves joining two pieces of wood at an angle, usually 45 degrees, to form a perfect corner. Miter joints are extensively used in picture frames, molding, and furniture construction. Moving on, let's talk about the dovetail joint. This joint is known for its strength and decorative appeal. It involves interlocking fan-shaped tails on one piece of wood with corresponding pins on the other piece. Dovetail joints are commonly used in cabinet making, drawers, and fine woodworking projects. Another joint that is frequently used in woodworking is the box joint. This joint is characterized by interlocking rectangular fingers on two pieces of wood. It provides a strong and aesthetically pleasing connection. Box joints are commonly used for making boxes, chests, and other similar projects. Lastly, let's discuss the tongue and groove joint. This joint is used for joining two pieces of wood along their edges. It involves creating a groove on one piece and a protruding tongue on the other. Tongue and groove joints are commonly used in flooring, paneling, and cabinet construction. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on essential woodworking joints. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of different joints and their applications. Remember, mastering these joints will take time and practice, but it is well worth the effort. Happy woodworking!